Hi, do you want to be a fluent English speaker? Well, you can. All you need is patience and practice. I have more than 8 years' experience in teaching over 1,000 students from all over the world to improve their English skills, language, vocabulary, and their fluency. I am here to help you grow your vocabulary, your grammar, and pronunciation. I am a passionate teacher, and my teaching style is being patient and flexible. My teaching methods depends on what your goals and objectives are. I plan according to your needs. So, book a lesson if you are ready to become a confident English speaker. Let's get started. I cannot wait to meet you. Bye.